Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials. Both devices use the same Apple ID, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, and the watch is powered. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the Watch app. Make sure you're on the My Watch tab, then tap Messages. This is where syncing begins. Enable Mirror My iPhone or Custom Settings so the watch will receive alerts. Do this now so the devices are allowed to share message data immediately and you avoid extra steps later. Next, you verify message services and permissions. On your iPhone, open Settings right arrow Messages and confirm iMessage is active, and the right phone number and email are under Send and Receive. Then, in the Watch app, confirm Messages is set to mirror My iPhone or adjust notifications to allow alerts on the watch. If you use Messages in iCloud, make sure it's enabled in iPhone settings. Right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud so conversation. Finish by restarting both devices to apply changes, then send yourself a test iMessage and a regular SMS to confirm the watch receives them. If messages still won't appear, try toggling iMessage off and on, sign out and back into your Apple ID, and check carrier SMS delivery. As a last resort, unpair the Apple Watch from the iPhone and repair it, restoring from the watch backup to preserve settings. These steps resolve most sync issues. If not, contact Apple support for account-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.